Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about that de Broglie wave hypothesis led Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Heisenberg de Broglie wave hypothesis led Heisenberg to predict the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle according to the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. As we all know that Heisenberg's uncertainty uncertainty principle. As you all know, de Broglie gives an hypothesis according to that a moving material particle sometimes acts as a wave and sometimes acts as a particle. Then, since the position of a wave cannot be located exactly, so wave nature of a material introduces the problem of particle location and defines the region of uncertainty, and this led Heisenberg to give Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. According to this principle, it is impossible it is impossible to predict both position and momentum of a moving subatomic particle of a moving subatomic particle of a moving subatomic particle exactly or very accurately at a time. Done. If delta x is uncertainty in determination, if delta x is uncertainty in determination of position and delta p is uncertainty in determination of momentum, then according to the Heisenberg's principle, delta x into delta p is equal to h is approximately equal to h upon 2 pi. Done. Thank you.